I'm Vic.
I'm Andy, and we've been together for 9 years, and we just bought our new house.
We just moved in about 6 months ago into this beautiful historic home in Coral Gables, and little by little we're doing work on it because, you know, a house always has work to do. We love the home. It's definitely a fixer-upper, but we love to do DIY projects and things all the time, so this is great for us.
Living in South Florida, we have a ton of humidity. We deal with a lot of sun, a lot of rain. It's a constant battle with the elements. One of the main things we're tackling with the garage is moisture control. We've sealed the roof, and we are looking to find other ways to insulate and make it a more comfortable atmosphere.
If anyone knows climate control, it's the folks over at John's Manville. They've been in business for over 160 years and have sent a rep over to consult Victoria and Andy on the install.
So we're all about helping our customers make spaces that are safe, comfortable, and energy efficient. Our products really get used in any sort of project, from huge commercial buildings all the way down to small home improvement projects. So we really love our DIY customers, and in addition to the products that we offer, we've got a lot of great resources online, like project guides, install videos, all of that to help make sure that the project comes off without a hitch. We design all of our building insulation products to be really easy to handle, really easy to install, and I'm looking forward to working with Vic and Andy on their project.
Hey!
Hey!
How are ya?
JR.
JR, I'm Andy.
Nice to meet you. Nice bike.
Thank you.
So I understand you guys have got a project going, you need some insulation.
Yeah, we do. We are in there now. Victoria's actually got it started, and if you want, come take a look.
Fantastic. Let's go check it out.
Come on. So come check out the war zone we got going on here.
All right.
Oh, there's Victoria.
Hey!
Hello,
How are you?
JR.
Victoria, nice to meet you. Sorry for the mess. We're really just trying to make this a functional space.
No problem. So what are your goals? What are you guys trying to do?
Well, as you can see, we have a lot going on. We got the motorcycle. We're trying to make a workshop. And
I'd love to have a little yoga room space going on. So
Okay.
What do you think?
Sure. Well, I think we can definitely help with that.
Awesome.
First things first, we need to do some measuring.
Okay,
Right?
let's get on
Figure
it.
out how much we need. That's 2 feet. Yeah. So I think that what's going to work really good for this project is our 2-inch thick AP foil foam board. This product is going to work really well. It's going to help moderate the temperature in here, and it's going to really help deal with keeping the humidity outdoors instead of indoors.
awesome, that sounds really good.
Now that the measuring's all done, all we really need to do is you guys want to get some long sleeves on, and we need to go get the product.
Flex those muscles.
In a flash, they're back, and JR is ready to run through the first steps.
You got the right stuff. Let me show you what we need next then. From a safety perspective, we want to have some gloves and safety goggles. We're going to need a straight edge for the cutting, as well as just a basic utility knife. We're going to secure the boards up with just some screws and a drill. And then at the end, we're going to seal off the edge with either caulk or canned foam. Piece of
Awesome,
cake.
sounds great.
All right, so you guys are all geared up and set, and now we just need to cut the boards. So we just need to measure up to where our cut point's going to be and check it maybe down a little bit down as well, so we have it all good.
Right there.
Perfect. Okay, so now you're just going to take the utility knife and you're just going to score all along the straight edge. Nice. We're now here over the edge. Ready? And we'll pop it. Now you can just use your knife to cut the back facer, and we'll be perfect.
This is amazing. Let your hand.
Super easy. There's nothing magic right about the fasteners here. We just want to put a few screws in the board. We're just tacking it up, right, to hold it in place until we can come back around and seal all the edges afterwards. Great, so all that's left to do is seal it up.
Excellent.
Got it.
So all we want to do with the caulk is to run a bead all around the whole perimeter of the board, and what that's going to do is just seal it in, make sure we don't have any air leaks, and that no humidity can get through.
Wow, that looks beautiful.
Yeah, it's perfect. Well done.
That's it?
That's it, right? Like I said, it's super easy.
No way, that was really easy.
Yeah, you guys have totally got this. This looks great. I think you guys can take it from here.
Yeah?
Yeah,
All right.
you're in great shape.
Well, it was a pleasure.
Nice meeting you.
Thanks so much for all your
Well done.
help.
My pleasure. We'll see you guys. Good
All right.
luck.
All right,
Guess we got 10 more to go.
let's do it.
Yeah, we got a few more boards, and we got them sealed up, and we'll be on our way out of here. project's done. We got another one under our belt. I think we can go enjoy the rest of the day.
Let's go.
We've shown you Victoria and Andy completing the first phase of the project. To finish this space, repeat the project steps from the ceiling on all of the walls of your room. For more information on Johns Manville, visit jm.com or go to designingspaces.tv.